Developing a strong parent-child relationship and effective parenting skills is a multifaceted and ongoing process that requires patience, understanding, and consistent effort. Here are some key strategies to help you build strong connections with your children and enhance your parenting skills. Open communication. Encourage open and honest communication with your children. Listen actively, ask open-ended questions, and show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. Create an environment where they feel comfortable sharing their concerns and experiences. Quality time. Spend quality time with your children regularly. Engage in activities they enjoy, and use this time to bond and create positive memories. Put away distractions like phones and focus solely on your child during this time. Be a role model. Children often learn by observing their parents. Model the behaviors and values you want them to adopt, such as respect, empathy, responsibility, and healthy communication. Positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement to encourage desired behaviors. Praise and acknowledge their efforts and accomplishments, which boosts their self-esteem and motivation. Set clear boundaries. Establish consistent and reasonable boundaries for behavior. Children feel more secure when they know the limits and expectations. Be firm yet compassionate in enforcing these boundaries. Active listening. Pay attention to your child's thoughts and feelings without interrupting or judging. This helps them feel valued and understood, leading to a stronger emotional connection. Empathy and understanding. Show empathy toward your child's emotions and experiences. Validate their feelings even if you don't agree with them. This fosters a sense of trust and support. Conflict resolution skills. Teach your child healthy ways to resolve conflicts. Model effective problem solving and encourage them to express their feelings and opinions while seeking compromises. Quality sleep and nutrition. Ensure your child gets enough sleep and eats a balanced diet. Physical well-being significantly influences emotional and behavioral states. Consistency. Consistency in parenting routines and expectations helps children feel secure. This applies to rules, discipline, and daily routines. Be patient. Parenting can be challenging, and patience is key. Children make mistakes and go through various developmental stages. Approach challenges with a calm and patient attitude. Unconditional love. Let your child know that your love is unconditional. Separate their behavior from their worth as a person, even when addressing negative behaviors. Encourage independence. Allow your child to take on age-appropriate responsibilities. Encouraging independence fosters self-confidence and a sense of accomplishment. Limit screen time. Monitor and manage screen time to ensure a healthy balance between virtual and real-world interactions. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about child development, parenting techniques, and relevant issues. Being informed empowers you to make well-informed decisions. Family traditions. Establish family traditions that create positive shared experiences and lasting memories. Apologize when necessary. If you make a mistake or react inappropriately, don't hesitate to apologize. Demonstrating accountability teaches your child about owning up to their actions. Stay calm under pressure. Children can be challenging at times. Practice staying calm and composed even in stressful situations. Respect individuality. Recognize and respect your child's individuality. Allow them to pursue their interests and passions, even if they differ from yours. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from parenting books, workshops, or professionals when facing difficult situations or uncertainties. Remember that parenting is a journey, and no one is perfect. The goal is to create a loving, nurturing environment where your child feels safe, valued, and supported as they grow and develop into their unique selves.